This is Killer Guy here with a YouTube video for my channel. The game I'm playing is Battle of Warships Naval, and the boat I'm using is the Super Alice. Looks like it's going to be a 7 versus 5. Oh, Wisconsin, it's a good boat. I'm Killer Guide on the FS Super Alice. And these are my team's boats. And this is the other team's boats. Let's go get us some nice, good shipping winners. And the Super Alice, the main battery is full maxed. Second battery is almost maxed. So we got the Carl Gloucester. Says the Wisconsin. We are going to aim for the Wisconsin at the time, because that's the main ship that can easily take us out. As you can see, we did pretty good, decent amount of damage to him. Here's what 2 shots does after these guys fire. As you can see, most of those hits were me. Minus these guys helping. Here's what all 4 does. Demolished him. Let's go over here and help these guys out. These little ones are hard to hit. As you can see, nobody's targeting me. This boat's pretty decent, strong, decent. With these boats, you kind of have to aim a little bit ahead of them. As just like I said, that's mostly my damage, minus these guys. We're going to show you what damage this kind of damage does to this Royal Sullivan. Nobody seems to be paying attention to him. That Royal Sullivan just almost got demolished. Oh, and we just won our match. Did of a total damage of 211,734. Total of 1 kill. I do have the Wisconsin too, and I got the Yamaha. The cannons on here is maxed. No second battery for the Yamaha. It's going to be a 6v6. Seven v6. going to be a 7v7. Six v six. And we do have the Super Ellis on that side and the Super Ellis on our side. Their side is 271, our side is 302. SMS Grocers, two of those, and the Missouri is 206. Texas 157, another Texas 147. Repulse, Texas, Wisconsin, and Yamaha. I am the Yamaha. This has got 5 cannons. As you can see, Super Ellis right there. Missouri, low health, damage. One of my shots got blocked by this guy, so we're going to back up a little bit. And that's just my hits at 45,000. Now he's going under cover. We're going to go for this air carrier. And air carriers in this is really a big pet peeve. They're so annoying. Super Ellis right there, we're going to hit him. Hills. But each of these big cannons on here has 3 barrels per one. Surprised the Super Ellis hasn't targeted us. Oof. That Super Ellis took great damage, holy smokes. That means we're gonna hit him again. He took a decent size of damage. Oh, and now you healing. you're doing. Okay, let's take a look here. Super Ellis is still strong, but a little bit weak. Gotta play smart with these Super Ellises. We got Super Ellis right there. We're gonna aim for him right now. Somewhat of a hit. Bad news, we got a Wisconsin or Missouri, I mean. And here comes the serious damage. I missed. GG's.